The ergonomic smart cover can fold into 5 different positions. Begin by opening the magnetic cover and folding it beneath your portable monitor. Adjust the kickstand's angle using the center and back pieces. This way, you can set the monitor back 70 degrees, (40°), or 20°. In the 20° and 40° placements, you can attach the monitor above the cover's fold for an elevated viewing position. Finally, with this cover positioning, you can rotate the monitor to a portrait angle, keeping its buttons aligned at the top. Now you can enjoy enhanced comfort and productivity on the go, thanks to the ergonomic smart cover on your ViewSonic portable monitors.